Summer bundle has shipped, and this is one of the high-end items in your bundle. It comes beautifully wrapped like this. I know everyone's always curious. If you're not familiar, my name is Victoria and I'm an interior designer. I recently started a quarterly subscription bundle, and each quarter you receive luxury, beautiful, high-end home decor items that I handpick for you. And then I make videos similar to this and style everything for you. So let me show you 4 different rooms and 4 different ways that you can style this in your home. I think we could all use this in our bathroom, of course for the functionality of having a mirror, but also the extra hooks for your towels, or hang it by the shower and you can put your scrub brushes and even your bath towel on it. There's great place for you to store your products, and it's super beautiful and functional using it like this. Did you ever think you could hang it in your kitchen? How cute is this? Your pot holder, your little measuring, a towel. You could even put your cookbook. If this is hanging above your stove, you could use it to follow your recipe and keep your book open. You could even write your weekly menu. Tacos. How fun, functional, and beautiful is this in your closet? Hang your jewelry. If you wear belts or scarves, you could also hang those. You can hang your hats and then use the mirror to see if it looks good. And you can put your perfume on and remind yourself every single day that you are so beautiful. Probably figured it out by now that I'm using mine at the front door to catch keys, glasses, a place for your mail, your bag, purse, jacket. You could put it in the mudroom if you have children, let them hang their backpacks and everything on it, and you can always leave a message for your family. So I'm gonna remind Scott we have date night tonight. See you at 7. I hope you are inspired and encouraged, and if you love this, even though my summer bundle is sold out, these guys are solo in my Etsy shop. So go over to my Etsy, the link is in my bio, and you can purchase one. And know that every time you purchase something from Free Spirit Designs in regards to all my subscription or gift bundles, I am giving back a portion of every box, and I'm setting that money aside to bless a family in need, someone who's walking through divorce, who's hurting, because I want them to know that there is hope and there is beauty after divorce. So they're going to get a complete room makeover at no cost to them, thanks to you.